Here at the Wachusett Reservoir again. I can see I don't know if it's a cormorant or I think it's a loon. I seen one loon over here, and that might be the same one. I see him out here. I can see his head. This is looking west. Like over here you can see a summit. That's Little Wachusett Mountain. And over here it's kind of hard to tell, it blends in, but there's a peninsula. And then right over around the corner there, that's the South Bay of the Wachusett. And over this way I can see the old stone church and the Route 12 and 140 causeway going across the res. I can actually see the traffic going in the power lines. Yeah, there's definitely a loon out there. It's like a little miniature Loch Ness monster, the way it looks. This is a cool little cove. The trail came out of the woods right here. That brings me back up to the road that I followed from gate 15. It's a cool little cove right here. I might have walked out this far from 140 when I was younger, long time ago, but it's been long. I've never followed the road from gate 15 before, so it was kind of cool. There's a bit of a downhill to get from the gate to here, but that's usually the case on reservoir trails. This would be a really good swimming spot because the water gets deep pretty quickly, so you could dive in if you wanted to, but they want you to refrain from swimming because it's a reservoir. Same applies when you go to the Quabbin. That's like the Wachusett, but much larger and more to the west. I was wondering if I could follow the shoreline here, but yeah, unless I have good rock climbing skills, I don't think it'll be a good idea. So I'm probably going to follow the trail back up this way, and then I don't know if I'll follow the shoreline this way and then try and find that second. There was a fork in the road on the way down here, and I took the left-hand path and it brought me to this spot. But I'm wondering if I follow the trail, it'll bring me to the right-hand path, and I'll just follow that back. I'll make a good loop. But I can see across the way here there's a little beach that I've been to before. It's right off of Route 140. I can see someone set up a blue tent and they're over there fishing, I'm assuming. That's one of the major attractions to this spot, is the hiking and the fishing. I mean, if it wasn't a reservoir, it would be an amazing swimming place with all the cool spots to swim. But I figured I'd take a vid here. Such a nice Saturday. I think it's the last day of July too. Oops. God dang it. Did something to my watch. I don't know what the fuck I did. I'm wondering if I fucked up the time. Yeah, it's the last day of July 2021. Probably gonna go hiking with Joe and Renee tomorrow. I'd like to. I'm just hoping it's a repeat of today. It's so nice out. We've been having such rainy weather. Actually, the last time I came to the reservoir, I was over on this spot right here. It kind of blends in, but there's a almost island there. I came out right where that little beach is. One to the left of the one with over there's the wildlife management headquarters and whatnot. All right, well, they're taking a long enough video. I've been rambling. All right, laters.